Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to enable Telnet clients in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and type over there control panel. Now click on the control panel over there. Now from here on the right side corner view by, you have to select category, and after that click on programs, and now click on turn Windows features on or off. And after that, from the list you have to check this option is called Telnet client. After that, click on OK. Now it will take some time. So now as you can see, it is done. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.